Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the best way on how to fix iOS 18.7.2 not installing. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know how to fix this problem. So for me right over here, as you can see, I do have the update and I can install it. But if you're facing a problem of not installing it, there could be a few factors and I'll show you how you can fix that. First one being is just going to your settings and then going to your Wi-Fi settings and make sure that your Wi-Fi is connected and working. If it's not, you won't be able to update. Just make sure that your Wi-Fi is working. Now the second is very crucial. What you need to do is just go to general and right here you'll see iPhone storage. Just go ahead and open that and check if your storage is enough for the update. So I got like a few gigabytes left, but if I go to software update section and first confirm the how much space it wants, so I just last checked, it's like 800 megabytes, so I'm good. I can update it directly. But if you don't have this much storage space, you just need to delete a few things and go ahead with it. But after doing all this, what you need to do is just simply restart your phone. Just simply press on the power button and just simply restart your device and check it again, and yeah, you'll be good. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.